everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something seriously exciting, the brand new 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63. And not just any G-Wagon, we're talking about the stunning brown color variant that's been turning heads everywhere. If you're into high-performance SUVs that blend brute force with unmistakable style, this is one you'll want to stick around for. Let's dive deep into everything this beast has to offer. Right off the bat, the brown exterior on this G63 is a bold statement. It's deep, rich, and elegant, not your average SUV paint job. Depending on the light, it shifts between a dark coffee tone to a warm bronze shimmer. Mercedes has nailed the premium look here, adding a touch of class to this boxy brute. Of course, the classic G-Wagon silhouette is still here. The upright stance, the squared-off edges, and those iconic round LED headlamps. The Panamericana grille is still front and center, with bold vertical slats and that proud AMG badge. You've got massive 22-inch forged wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, red brake calipers peeking through, and blacked-out trim that contrasts beautifully with the brown paint. The side-mounted spare tire, chrome accents, and soft-closed doors remind you this isn't just an off-roader, it's a luxury statement. And let's not forget the sound of those solid door latches. There's nothing quite like it. Step inside and you're immediately wrapped in a blend of military-grade toughness and first-class luxury. The 2026 G63's cabin is more refined than ever. This particular model features saddle brown Napa leather seats with diamond stitching and contrast piping. The combination of brown on brown, both exterior and interior, gives it a cohesive and rich look, almost like a tailored leather jacket that fits perfectly. Everything is digital and high-tech. You've got dual 12.3-inch displays, one for the instrument cluster and one for infotainment, both seamlessly merged into a single widescreen setup. The latest MBUX system supports voice commands, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the haptic feedback is instant. You also get carbon fiber trim across the dash, ambient lighting with 64 colors, and a Burmester 3D surround sound system that fills the cabin with rich audio. The rear seats are surprisingly spacious given the boxy frame, and of course, they're heated and ventilated too. Cargo space is generous, and the rear door opens sideways to reveal a flat loading area, perfect for weekend getaways or throwing in some luxury luggage. Now, let's talk about what really sets this machine apart: performance. Under the hood is the familiar yet updated 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, now tuned to deliver a jaw-dropping 585 horsepower and 850 newton-meters of torque. It's paired to a 9-speed AMG SpeedShift TCT transmission, and power is sent to all four wheels via the AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system. Despite weighing nearly 6,000 pounds, the G63 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 4.3 seconds. That's supercar territory in a boxy, high-riding SUV. The V8 sound is absolutely addictive, deep, angry, and raw, especially when you flick it into Sport Plus mode. And yes, you can still take it off-road with locking differentials, adjustable suspension, and a low-range gearbox. Though let's be real, most owners will be conquering city streets and not sand dunes. Mercedes has also improved the ride quality thanks to the AMG Ride Control adaptive damping system. You feel more connected to the road, but with less body roll and better comfort over bumps. As for the price, the 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63 doesn't come cheap. The base price starts around $180,000 in the US, but this fully loaded brown-on-brown spec with all the bells and whistles pushes closer to the $210,000 mark. It's expensive, no question, but for many, it's worth every dollar for what it represents. Luxury, performance, and presence like no other. So there you have it, the 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63 in brown. It's bold, it's fast, it's luxurious, and it's still unapologetically a G-Wagon. Let me know in the comments what you think. Would you take this over something like a Range Rover SV or maybe even a Lamborghini Urus? If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next deep dive into the world of luxury performance vehicles. Until next time, drive safe and stay sharp.